Here we have a Clausing 20-inch swing drill press. It's 1.5 horsepower, pre-wired 115 volt. Does have some minor shipping distress. I'm going to show you that in a moment here. Most importantly, it does operate. So we turn it on. There's our speed control. Turn the machine off. Just want to show you, first thing I want to show you right in here, it's barely noticeable, but there is a small crack in this outside casting right here. If you can see it down there. And that kind of travels over to here a little bit. And what it does is it holds this onto here with these bolts here. Okay. The machine still operates fine. I also want to show you there's two handles here. There should be a third one right here. Well, one of them broke off during shipment. This piece, we couldn't quite extract that, plus the handle's missing, so that you probably need to replace. So the quill feed operates very nicely. And this cover was a little bit bent up. As you can see, it kind of juts out right here and over on this side. Now we took it off to see if we could possibly fix it, but that's kind of the way it goes in there. You might have to drill some other holes and tighten it up, get it in there. So the up and down function on the column operates. Just got to loosen the nuts right here. Other than that, it's in really good condition. There's a piece of plexiglass for here that's missing here for the guard. And we thank you for looking at our product.